dear students, with me again, Dewi Sri Mulyani. Today, I want to share about presenting report. Dalam kompetensi dasar sekarang, kalian akan menganalisis fungsi sosial, structure teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta terkait penyajian laporan secara lisan. Dan diharapkan nanti kalian bisa menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait penyajian laporan dengan benar. Alright, do you ever make presentation? Or do you ever show up in front of people? In the future, it's very useful for you. Karena nanti di tempat kerja, mungkin kalian akan mempresentasikan laporan di dalam meeting. Yes? Don't worry, we will discuss about this. How to make a good presentation. Alright, let's get started. The first everyone, you have pay attention when you to give your presentation in front of the people. Because you are the main point, you are the subject, and your audience is object. Presenting report is one of the public speaking. Jadi presenting report itu merupakan salah satu dari public speaking. That's why you must have confidence. Alright, remember confidence. Yeah, I have 3 points or 3 parts of presenting report. For the first, introduction. The second, content or body. And the last, the third, closing or conclusion. Alright, everyone. Every part, there are some of the subtopics. Alright, let's discuss one by one. For the first, introduction. Welcoming your audience, you can start from the greeting. For example, you can say like this: good morning, good evening. As you're Muslim, you can say Assalamualaikum. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nah, itu kalau kita menyapa dalam bentuk yang formal. Kita pun bisa menggunakan sapaan yang lebih informal, lebih santai. Contohnya seperti ini. Hi everyone, how are you today? Hello ladies and gents, how yours life? Alright. Yang kedua, dalam introduction perlu dipahami adalah introducing your subject. Yes, kita harus memperkenalkan dulu apa sih yang akan kita sampaikan. Ya. Kita pun bisa mengcombine ya, nanti di contohnya mengcombinkan greeting, introduce the topic. Contohnya seperti ini. Today, I'm going to talk about. This morning, I'm going to tell you about. Outlining the structure, outlining the part. It's the content you're going to talk. In the introduction, you can add section in discuss. Nah, di sini juga kalian bisa membaginya. Ya, harus disebutkan. Ada di beberapa sesi kita dalam presentasi ini. Contohnya seperti ini. The first time I will start about my presentation from blah blah blah. For the second, the third, ya. Atau contohnya yang lain. Before going to discuss the topic, I've divided the discussion into the 3 sections. The first is about blah blah blah. The second is discussion about, and the last is question and answer section. Alright. Lanjutkan. Yang keempat, giving instruction about question. Memberikan petunjuk, ya, instruksi dalam nanti pertanyaan. Ya, It's very neat in your presentation, giving instruction about question. Sangat penting ya untuk audience. To audience want to ask you later, you have to give the time for them when they have to ask you about it. Ya, kenapa kita perlu ada bagian tanya jawab? Ini sangat penting untuk menarik audiens untuk bisa berkomunikasi dengan kita. Alright, until this, get the point, students? That's good. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Part 2. Content or body. Body it means it's content that you are to deliver. Isi yang akan kalian sampaikan. Okay? How to make a good presentation when you deliver about the content. Bagus tidaknya presentasi kalian itu dalam hal ini, ya, dalam menyampaikan isi dari materi ini. Everyone, remember that if you have a good confidence, it's very easy for you. But if you don't have confidence, how to deliver it? Jelas yang pertama, mastering the topic. Kuasai betul materinya. Ya. Dalam penyampaian, make it clear. Make it closer, more detail. Make it very, very clear. Confident, remember it. And don't forget to focus to all of the audience. Your eyes contact. All of your side. Your right, your left, in front of you. Yes? And two-way communication. Then if you deliver about the content, please don't be too fast and don't be too slowly. Harus benar-benar pas gitu ya. Jangan terlalu cepat kita menyampaikan materi dan juga jangan terlalu lambat. Ya. Karena ini berpengaruh betul kepada presentasi kita. Baik atau tidaknya presentasi kita tuh di sini. Ya. Di akhir diskusi, don't forget to over question and answer section. Harus menawarkan bagian tanya jawab. Saya akan berikan contohnya dengan mengatakan, if you have any question, please raise your hand. Atau yang lainnya? Any question? Okay. Don't forget to give the feedback too. Jangan lupa kita juga harus memberikan feedback. Ya, ketika sudah menjawab pertanyaan dari audiens. Saya berikan contohnya. That it answer your question? Apakah ini sudah menjawab pertanyaan Anda? Alright. So far it's clear, student? Alright, dear student. Let's continue for the last part of the presenting report. In this part, you can give the conclusion. Yes? Summing up, kalian bisa menyimpulkan dari pembahasan diskusi yang telah kalian laksanakan. Giving recommendation. And don't forget, if you have a finish or you done your presentation, don't forget you must give thanking to your audiences. Yes? And the last, you can inviting the question. I give you an example like this. Thank you for your attention. I think enough for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Alright, dear student, dari apa yang sudah saya paparkan dari awal sampai akhir, sudah cukup jelas kan? Okay, let's review the material. For presenting report, don't forget that have 3 points. For the first, introduction. The second, content or body. And the last is conclusion. Be good speaker will make you be confident. Prepare, prepare, prepare. Be your good speaker. Alright, 12 students, I think enough for this session. I hope you will understand. Alright, studying sincerely will give to be blessed knowledge. Keep the spirit, children. Thank you.